Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your Redmi 13x. So first, we need to go over to the settings. Now in those settings, scroll down until you guys see display and brightness. Here, make sure to either enable the auto brightness or disable it and change it manually to see if that fixes the issue. And now after that, what you guys can do is download the screen dimmer app from the Play Store. So head over to Play Store and now go to search. In the search bar, search for the screen saver and then type OLED. Now it's this app right here, Screen Dimmer OLED Saver, and click on install. It should install very quickly, it's only 2 megabytes. So now after installing it, we just click open and then we need to give it permissions. So starting off with the accessibility settings, the system settings, here we need to allow it just so it can control our brightness. Now moving on to the accessibility settings, here we need to click on downloaded apps and go to screen dimmer, enable it, and here we need to click I'm aware of possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Now basically it needs the permission to change the brightness even when you rotate your screen or simply enable the keyboard. And now after that, let's just grant the permissions for the notifications. So click on grant permission here, click on allow, and here we can use our service. As you guys can see, this is our brightness. Now there's no no flickering because our screen is a little bit dimmed. So now if the app did not help you, then as a last resort, I recommend you guys updating your software. So make sure that you keep your software on the latest version, go over to settings and then click on about phone. And then we need to click on the HyperOS. After we click on the HyperOS, as you guys can see, there is no updates available. And that means we're running the latest version. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.